code, which is one of the most popular code for among developers and liked by so many developers and all. So basically this is the very good editor for developers. It provides so many support, so many libraries and easy to use functionalities. So to install that, what we are going to do is we'll be going opening our browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Okay, so you can type VS Code and open the very first link, which is code.visualstudio.com. This is the official website and for the Visual Studio. Now what you can do is you can simply go for the download option based on your system. If you are using your Windows, you'll be having the option, and if you're using Mac, you can also follow the same procedure. But yeah, download the file for your Mac by going to this option. And if you are using this in Linux, you can do this in the same way. Okay, and also follow the same procedure of how you can install that. Okay, so I'll simply click on download, and within seconds it will be downloaded in my system. And after that, I'll simply follow the on-screen guidance provided by the VS Code installer to set up the VS Code in my system. Okay, so the download is almost completed. I'll just wait for this to complete. Setup has been downloaded already. Now I'll just double click on this and wait for the installer to pop up, and we'll follow the same on screen guidance provided by the installer to install in our system. Okay, okay, so now this is the installer of Visual Studio Code. Now it's asking to accept the agreement. Now go simply click on the radio button and go for the next option. If you want to install this Visual Code in some other folder location, you can simply browse and select that option. But yeah, I'm going with the default option. Select, go to next. Now you can also do this or keep this as default. There is no problem at all. Okay, so yeah, so the next process, the next very important part is to add to path variable, and this requires a restart of your system also. Okay, so if you do not want your Visual Code Studio to add it to your system path variable, you can simply uncheck this box. But yeah, this is very important to add. Or if you want to do it manually, you can also check this box out. But yeah, I'll do this from here. So I'm checking this box, and now go to next, and you'll be having the option to install. Just simply click on install, and it will take less than a minute time, I believe, to install based on the configuration of the system you have, and it will be done in your system, right? So let's just wait for some time. So it's almost the half of way the process is completed, and it's going very fast. I'll simply launch this VS Code and show you how does it look like. Okay. So now the VS Code has been started, and this is the welcome screen. You have option to create new file, open folder and command, and also you can create projects from these options as well. So you can simply mess with all these features available based on your requirement. And if you feel any issue or any help, you can simply comment me in the box below down, and I'll simply try to answer that questions, right? So you can simply mess with these options and go with your development projects, right? So till then.